so slow. A saxophone whispers where shadows go. Gentle piano paints the twilight's hue as cobblestone sighs beneath our shoe. The books are sleeping on the dusty shelves with stories of lives and forgotten selves. A cafe's hum, a gentle drum in play, echoes the footsteps of an endless day. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful wanderings of all we know. The drizzle dances softly on the street, its rhythm a pulse beneath our retreat. Old stories rise with the scent of rain. The sax sings again, an ache, a refrain. Oh, isn't life a fleeting kind of art? The tender kind that lingers in the heart. A whispered question hangs, dearest muse, with answers wrapped in the city.